I be cheesing. I saw whatever, if you really wanna see me. Let's go together, I'ma count them even. Looking at my chopper, see I got like all these VVs. When I grow up, I know you gon' see me on the TV. Do this shit like every day.
Ooh. What's going on, everybody? Sorry for that little, you know what I'm saying, crazy little intro we had there, but it's okay because we ready to go do some things with the Lexus. So basically, here's the Lexus. That's a car. That is a Lexus car. So basically, if you haven't already, go cop yourself some Ant merch. Link in the description. Says Ant Squad in the back. We are looking fresh. You guys can also, by copping some merch, you help support the channel, and so we can get some good content going here soon. We also will be getting some good content coming here soon, because I love you guys and I love making videos. So it's like a win-win. But so, as you can see, the check engine light is on for the Lexus. So originally it was like, I went and got my emissions and it was only one thing that was wrong with the Lexus. It was like a camshaft sensor or something. Something that's not too, I mean, it's kind of common, so it's just a basic sensor that you just replace. I went to Sam's house, which is actually where we're going right now, and now there's like a million bajillion lights. A million bajillion lights. A million bajillion lights. A million bajillion lights. A million. My car's running like poo. So I got some stuff in the back. We're gonna change out the spark plug, and then hopefully that solves the problem. So basically what happens is if I give it too much throttle, the car, then it starts like bogging out and like kind of misfiring. So I'm hoping it's just the spark plugs, hopefully. If not, then I don't know. But there's a recall for this car that I have to take to Lexus anyway. So hopefully they can figure out what that problem is. But if not, a million bajillion lights. A million bajillion lights. We're just gonna be screwed. A million bajillion lights. Let's pray that it's just
the spark plugs, and then if it's not, then
a million. Let's go to Sam and get to rocking with this car, baby. Hey Sam. Wait, so what happened, bro? What happened?
My exhaust fell off my truck.
Is it loud? Start it up. So what is it? Basically open headers, pretty much. We got the race blazer. Just loud as yeah, baby, yeah. All right, we're gonna take this thing for a drive. Supposedly, Sam thinks that this is faster. Maybe it's just the noise factor, but I'll be the judge. I'll be the judge.
I thought so too, maybe.
Listen. It's so loud. Like, I don't know. This shit's breaking everybody's neck, yo. It's funny as hell. Post down in the comments below if you think you should keep it open headers, guys. Then put a turbo on it. Wow. All right, red light, we go. Hadouken! Seatbelt gang, we die like men. Yeah, it does feel a lot faster. That's weird. Is that supposed to do that in Trailblazers? Feels like it has a lot more top end. That's weird. Nice, dude. You got so close. Oh shit! Moved the whole car. Oh, dude. You effed it up. We didn't record nothing because we were just, you know what I'm saying, doing whatever. But anyway, so Sam got one plug in. Here's the old plug. This thing looks crusty and dusty as hell, my boy. Super rusty. So we're gonna try and start this just to give it an idea, see if the plug works. It starts misfiring, we gotta get new plugs. But hey, let's check it out. All right, boys. So I'm like 85% positive we found out what's wrong with it. So see how this plug has 3 prongs? This one has
a half of one.
A half a prong. So it seems like these plugs are super old, is what I'm guessing. Guys, when I got the car, like there was like no maintenance records or anything, and I was just gonna do the plugs at 100,000 miles, but I ended up forgetting because like, I don't know, life was happening. But hey, we're getting it done right now. Thanks to my buddy Sam. Go follow him on Instagram. I don't even know if he posts anymore, but hey, okay, he's a good guy. And we're gonna post more spells Audi, and I'm gonna do pictures. For any of you IS350 people, if you go online and everything, it says that you have to remove all your intake manifolds and all this crap that's on top. You actually really don't have to do spark plugs. I mean, we're doing it obviously right now. Everything's kind of just laid out right there. As long as you have the right tools, then you can do it without doing all that extra shit. I would definitely recommend getting whatever the hell that tool is. You know what I'm saying? What is that? It's
a snap-on
3/8 swivel, or I don't know. Is that really what it's called? It's pretty much all you need. That's what we've been using this whole time. Well, he's been using. They try to get you at the shops and stuff. You can do it by yourself with a buddy. Here's the last 3 plugs. That's what they look like. They're not as bad as the other ones. Here's the other ones. These were the worst ones. These did not look that good, but we got all the plugs in, and that's crazy. Like, I went to the shop just to, like, cause I don't know, I was freaking out. I thought my car was like messed up. Sorry about the hair, it looks all crazy, but I thought my car was all messed up, and they were trying to charge me $300 to do plugs. It took us literally like, I think 30 minutes to do the plugs. So you guys could do it easily at home. As long as you got an extension and a spark plug tool, you should be good to go. Like, it's super easy, super simple. But I'm about to put this cool pack back in and start her up and see how she runs. And hopefully she runs a lot better. All right, moment of truth, boys. We kind of take it for a drive. Alrighty, so we cleared the code. No codes have popped back up. We took the, what is it, the crankshaft sensor? We took both crankshaft sensors out, cleaned them off, and there's no codes. We switched the oil because I was running 0W20 and it was really like, I don't know. It sounds a lot better now, but right now we're doing a smoke test, see if it's any vacuum leaks, but we're not really seeing anything. This is coming straight out of the intake, so I think we should be good with the vacuum. I'm not really seeing anything. So the only thing left to do is the, I don't know, I'm thinking at this point, thinking there's no leaks. I don't see anything, which is good, so there's no vacuum leaks. So hopefully Lucy starts running right from here on out. If you leave one like right now, it's one prayer for Lucy to help her get back on her high horse, you know? All thanks to my buddy Sam too. But it's crazy. I think honestly it was just the spark plugs and the oil that was really messing with my car, because we cleared those codes, cleaned up those sensors, and the code originally they would just pop right back up, and they haven't popped up yet. So hopefully we'll take it for a little drive and hopefully it's good to go. We're not seeing any vacuum leaks. That's good. The motor sounds a lot better with the new oil. I don't know, the new plugs and everything. So hopefully that was just the problem.
Yeah, I swear I be fiending. I got all this water on me, I'ma go to Fiji. I got whatever, got so much that I be cheesing. I saw whatever, if you really wanna see me, let's go together. I'ma count 'em uneven. Looking at my